Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be creating this look. Today is number 5 of the challenge. I am so excited. I'll be done with glitter. Like honestly, I am so excited I'll be done with glitter. If you know me or you been watching my video, you would know that I do not like glitter. We are just enemy. But I came across this uncabe glitter and I also did a review on it, so don't forget to check that out. I'm gonna leave the cards up here or somewhere. And I kind of fell in love with the glitter. However, there are perks and there are some negative of the glitter, so make sure you check that video to find out. But I decided to challenge myself and create 5 different looks in 5 days with 5 different uncabe glitter. So this is what I end up with for my 5th challenge, and I hope you guys really enjoy this makeup tutorial and you actually like this makeup look. So if you notice, or if you don't, I'm gonna let you know. I'm trying a new setup, a new lighting, a new technique. So it's been a hassle, but I made it today, and I hope this video actually comes out as great of a quality as I expect, or I want, or I hope. So we'll see. If you see a difference, or if you like this video quality or the setup, just let me know. Thumbs up, comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think, and if you have any advice, please let me know. I really do appreciate whatever you have to say. And yes, I am back. I took a break because it wasn't a break that I actually wanted. It was a break that I had to take just to regroup myself, and also like I broke my camera, I broke my phone, so I was just frustrated. But now I'm back. I'm back, and I'm pushing forward, and I'm pushing better. Hey. But anyway, you know the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. But yeah, let's get to the video. Thank you so much. Bye. I hope you can tell the difference of the quality and everything, because I've been really working hard, and I think that's why I kind of took a minute, apart from my phone and my camera just breaking. But I wanted to just take a minute just to regroup myself and get everything together and make sure everything is perfect. Well, not perfect, but at least the best as I can get, so you guys can have the best quality. So I think this is actually good so far. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you how to create this look. If you want to see how to create this look, just make sure, stay tuned. But to start with this look, the first thing you need is a tape. So I'm going to need you to go somewhere and grab a tape. Any kind of tape. It doesn't matter. So you're going to kind of cut it. And then you also need a scissors. Be careful with the scissors, please. And you actually going to try to make I think it's a triangle. Is it a triangle? A rectangle? A triangle. But a larger triangle. Wouldn't that mean a rectangle? I don't know, but anyway, you're gonna cut it. Take the tape, and I'm gonna try to place it on my eyes. I'm gonna be using this beautiful palette. This is actually one of my favorite palette. I need to do a favorite video, but this is actually one of my favorite palette. Is the BAM Cosmetic Meet Matrimony. I'm a warm color person, so this is definitely perfect for me. So I'm going to be taking this, and the first eyeshadow that I'm going to be using is this color called Matte Lopez. It is a really nice, beautiful color, and applying this first transition color is a really nice orange mustardy color. I'm going to take this blending brush, and I'm going to be dipping into this. It's like a reddish brown color. It's called Matte Coomer. I'm going to take that. It's like a burgundy reddish color, and this will be my second transition color. I'm going to place that right on the crease and blend. Ooh, that's a lot. It is super pigmented. I really hope everything comes out good in this video because sister is trying. Take the straight blending brush, is from Profusion Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be mixing two colors. So I'm gonna be taking this burgundy purple color, and I'm gonna be mixing it with this black color. It's called Matte Ahmed and Matte Muscawiz. I'm not good with descriptions, guys. And I'm gonna pop that right on the center of my crease, and I'm gonna blend. Okay, so you want more of the purple than the black, so just go back and dip in that purple color and use that to blend. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm gonna be using this Ruby Kisses 3D concealer. After that, I'm gonna go back and blend my crease out a little bit more. So now for the first glitter, the uncabe glitter, I'm gonna be adding this pink color to the front part of my lid. I'm really not good with description. And now I'm gonna go in with another small flat brush, and I'm gonna use this purple color. It's called it's in number 6, and I'm gonna take that. Okay, so now that the glitter is kind of done, I'm gonna go ahead and try to blend my crease a little bit more and take out any extra glitter. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I'm gonna go ahead and take this tape out. And voila! Of course, you wanna try to smoothen everything out. So I'm taking this brush and wiping that mark. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this white pencil in my waterline. So I'm gonna go back with this brush, and I'm going to be dipping into this purple color. It's called Matte Muscawiz. And I'm gonna place that in my bottom. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes and do my highlight and contour, and I will be right back. So I am back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush, and I'm gonna be using this Black Radiance blush, and this is in Toasted Almond. I really love this blush, and I'm gonna be using this blush brush that I got from eBay. This is a really nice, beautiful blush for my skin tone. So now for highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and use this Profusion highlighter. I really love this highlighter. Whoa, okay. And I think I'm going to be going ahead and I'm going to be using this color called Sugar Crush. It's like a really champagne color. Dipping into this highlighter. It is so gorgeous. We're going to be shining bright. And